Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Momo Miarede. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again.
I'm singing louder than the crowd.
So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you ways on how you can style your box braid. So guys, this is style number 1. Please don't forget to slay your edges before you start styling your braids, so it comes out looking really nice. I've had these braids for like three weeks now, and then it's still looking good.
Like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No, listen to rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down low. Not when we shine so bright. I know. The sun is getting warmer when we soar away among the clouds.
guys, this is the end of the video. Those are basic styles you can achieve with your braids. And if you are going to try, or if you try any of these styles, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Also, I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.